Day of the winter session, the Lok Sabha passed the Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Bill within 2 hours after a short debate. The bill stipulates up to 2 years jail term and a maximum fine of Rs 5 lakh for discriminating against differently abled persons. Prime Minister called it a landmark movement.
Ayes have it. The motion is adopted and the
Keeping aside the acrimony over demonetization issue which paralyzed the winter session, Parliament passed the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Bill 2014. After 2 years of attempts, Lok Sabha passed the bill on the last day of the winter session. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was present in the House during the passage of the bill. Rajya Sabha had passed the bill on Wednesday. The new bill covers 21 conditions instead of 7 disabilities specified in the existing act. It now covers cerebral palsy, hemophilia, multiple sclerosis, autism and thalassemia. It provides for 4% reservation for the disabled in higher education and government jobs. The bill lays down provisions to allow central government to notify any other condition as a disability. It provides for imprisonment of at least 6 months, up to 2 years, along with a fine ranging between 10,000 rupees and 5 lakh rupees for discriminating against differently abled persons. The bill strengthens the office of Chief Commissioner and State Commissioners for persons with disabilities, which will act as regulatory bodies. Divyang identity cards will now be valid across the country. The setting up of a Divyang University in Kerala has also been announced.
पुराने बिल की तुलना में इसमें बहुत क्रांतिकारी परिवर्तन हमने करने का प्रयास किया है। जैसे पहले दिव्यांगों की श्रेणी केवल 7 होती थी। इस बिल में 7 की बजाय वो 21 श्रेणियां होगी और 21 श्रेणियां जब हो जाएगी तो इस देश का कोई भी दिव्यांग भारत सरकार और राज्य सरकार की योजनाओं का लाभ लेने से वंचित नहीं होगा.
India signed the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities in October 2007. It is estimated that 7 to 10 crore people will benefit following the passage of the bill. The opposition wholeheartedly supported the legislation. The differently abled welcomed the passage of the bill.
कि अब तक हमारे देश में जितने भी प्रधानमंत्री आए सबसे ज़्यादा अगर किसी ने विकलांगता में एक इंटरेस्ट लिया है और जितना पिछले 2 साल या 2.5 साल में सरकार ने किया है उसका श्रेय पूरा उनको जाता है.
According to the 2011 census, there are 2 crore 68 lakh differently abled people. But now with the introduction of fresh categories, this figure will rise sharply. The bill replaces the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995. With Parliament team DD News.